I want to talk to you today about that plant and the plant selection, right? Because if you look right here to my right, we have this beautiful, gorgeous crepe myrtle. But there are a lot of things going wrong here. A lot. Let's talk about a few of those. Right here to my right is the water meter to the home. So this house is built in the 70s or late 80s, or 70s, early 80s. The water meter for the city is right here. We have this beautiful crepe myrtle right here. Well, what do crepe myrtles like? They love water. What does the water line provide? It provides water. You can't see it, maybe you can. Right behind me over here, you'll see that there's a lot of red dirt over there. That red dirt over there, just FYI, you know where that red dirt's from? That is from the city coming out and digging this man's sewer line up. You know why? Look at this crepe myrtle's here. He's probably close enough that he got into the sewer lines. So now, not only do we have the water line on one side, we got the sewer line on the other side. It even gets better. Right above my head is a power line. So this beautiful power line goes right through the middle of this beautiful crepe myrtle. So, not saying there's anything wrong with having a selection of a crepe myrtle. Nothing absolutely wrong with having a crepe myrtle. However, in this particular place, this particular location is a no-go for this crepe myrtle. Reason being is because you got a water meter, you got a sewer line, and you got a power line all in the same area. This is a bad selection and a bad location for a crepe myrtle. Keep in mind when you're buying plants to look at the, if you're not a plant expert, look at the label. See what the label says. The label will tell you how big, how tall that particular item gets, and then you don't have to run into situations like this.